What is Igor supposed to do?
Hello, and welcome back to the video. Since someone told me that my voice sounds like I'm gonna sell you insurance, here I am. Ready to sell you insurance.
What?
Today, the sponsor of today's video is going to be Geico.
Give me back Igor. Who has Igor?
Yeah.
Igor is my friend. Get the plushie that I bought with my own money.
Okay.
I'm already
That's
giving you a favor for giving you that guy.
Can I get the goldfish?
No. Wait, I can get Spooky Boy.
What?
Okay. If you do that, you're giving up the plushie.
He makes a silly noise. Wait.
He does make a silly noise.
Oh.
There, yeah.
Yeah.
There.
What have I done?
G. Turn it on. G. G. There we go. No, that's right
I'm on
above.
top.
Okay, like this, like this, like this, like this. You gotta
Okay,
put
let's
it, you gotta
play.
face towards the wall, and oh!
I swear to God, if I step on another landmine. Dude, I found a coffee mug and a muffin.
You found a hockey mug and a muffin?
What was that?
Hello? Can you scan? What? Oh! Yay!
Alright, this is Jimmy Jongas checking in. Just want to know how the fire exit is and how it's going.
Is there anything in here at all? No, that's just a key.
Oh, that's a turret.
Go for it.
I am not dead. We're gonna take a leap of faith. Eh,
Walk past the turret.
I made it.
Hi.
Hello.
Bye.
Hello. Bye.
Bunker spider. Bunker spider.
Ah!
You good?
Jeez Louise, that sure was a close one. What does RTB mean?
Real good bananas.
Oh, leave early, leave early. Go, go, go.
Go, go, go. I'm going. That was a close one.
I almost killed myself.
Ooh, look, bees.
Plastic fish. Yeah. Plastic
Yo, for some reason, Teal's voice is in the wall instead of on his character, so I couldn't hear him at all when I was going out.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Even when you picked up your walkie-talkie.
Walkie?
No, it doesn't.
It
It-
does.
For some
I
reason,
had this
it's...
problem before.
Yeah. I think it's just on my end because, Barnacle could
Yeah,
hear
it
you
is.
fine.
Yeah. It was happening to me before. Don't worry. Like, it's...
Yeah, it's just to you, though. I can hear everybody else.
Bracken!
Guys, I'm lost. Can somebody help
Bracken, Blacken.
Bracken!
Oh, can you
I'm back in black! I hit the sack!
Herb, how you deal with bracket is you gotta go and give it a hug, and then it'll stop being angry.
Nerf,
Yeah?
come over here. This bird seems to be losing its, like, look.
Kill it.
Oh, someone just died.
What was that? Did someone die? Hello? Anybody home?
Get
No.
over here. This bird is losing it, like, more and more. You need to get the video for the funnies.
Oh, spinning bird. I want everybody to learn about the bird. What is it doing?
Bro, it's just... What the hell?
Oh, they're after me. No.
Idiot here tied to a baboon hawk.
Ah, not the bracken that you're talking about?
Hey!
I still can't believe this dumbass died to a baboon hawk. Like,
Oh, is that it? That little goofy thing over there?
Wait, huh?
I think.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going back because I know exactly where it is. He doesn't because he's dumb. Or sorry, what's his name? Long face stuff. Because he's dumb. Concrete cylinder going dark.
I sure hope you know where you're going.
Dude,
No.
No.
you guys are alive? Come over here, over here, over here, come here.
Oh, hi. Yo.
And then to this side.
Uh-huh. Ooh.
It's a bug.
Can you... Hey! There, Flea. Can you
Uh-oh.
kill that for me? Hey. Kill the mother...
Bye.
Yeah, you better. Idiot. Look up. You gotta keep an eye. Oh, there it is. There's this idiot. Yeah, I'm here. I think it's dead.
Whack it again.
Calm down, bud. Thumper, run. I'm heading back. This is not worth the risk.
Sorry, where did you go? Oi.
Oh god, keep an eye on Nerf. He doesn't know where he's going. I'm like me.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think Faz knows where he's going either. Oh, never mind.
Dude, stop putting on the trash music. There we go. Good stuff. Damn, 480. Alright, let's do this, boys. What is it?
Very important message.
What is it? What is it?
Oh, thank you. Very important.
Perfectly timed clown board.
I'll tell to ring the bell on 3, 2, 1. Oh!